silence she remains, where mercy falls like gentle rain. Beneath the cross, love speaks no word, yet every broken heart is heard.
Beneath the cross of crimson light, I stand within the darkest night. Each drop of blood, each sacred tear, draws every wounded soul more near. I am here within your pain, in every loss, in every chain. No cry is lost, no soul unseen. My mercy flows where you have been.
A sword of sorrow pierces deep, yet still this faith I choose to keep. For through his wounds the world is healed. Through silent love grace is revealed.
Through her tears healing falls, like mercy raining over all.
At the
Cross, love is revealed. In every wound our souls are healed. Return to me, do not despair. My love is waiting everywhere. No broken heart I turn away. I carry you through night and day.
all who wander lost in fear, come and rest, your refuge is here. In my sorrow find your place, hidden in a mother's grave.
There burdens at the tree, where love has paid your penalty. Through repentance you are free. Come and live again in me.
Through her tears healing flows,
Where human weakness deeply Prince of Peace, hear our cry. Teach all hearts to unify. Through your cross all war cease. Grant your children lasting